Hey, let me show you how we can add cards into your Xiaomi Watch S4. So all you have to do is just to basically open the Mi Fitness application on your device and now go to your watch, and you have to simply go into apps and then select Xiaomi Pay. Now when you are here, click add. Now we have to wait for the checking for security risks. It will actually take around a few moments, and as you can see now, you can simply add your card. So what you have to do is just to simply input the code of your card, like so. And after this, we have to just go forward. 0256. Now the card holder's name, expiration date, and the security code that is available on the back of your card. Now click here on that switcher and click next. And it will take around 2 minutes, but for sure this specific card details are not correct. And after it will be added, it will be also transferred to your watch, and you will find it just right here in this card's application.